I feel like eating the salmon raw tonight, mixed into my salad. Usually I just put oil, vinegar, make my salad and just throw it in. But I want to do it kind of like ceviche. So the lemon, the lime, the cilantro is in there. I'm going to cut up 7 ounces of salmon. It's going to be a nice salad. I'm going to let this sit for a half hour right here like this and see how it is. And the onions are in there. And now I'm going to go about making my normal salad. And that's that. Now I'll put together my salad, and that'll take me almost a half hour. Well, like I said, this is my everyday salad that I have for dinner. I have tomatoes, red cabbage, celery, carrots, cucumber, and mixed greens. So you make your regular salad, however it is, and in another 17 minutes, I'm going to take this mixture with some virgin olive oil and pour it over my salad. And that is going to be my dinner tonight. Simple. Well, it's time to get everything in the bowl. And the texture of the fish. Now into the bowl. Everything. The oil is in here. I'm using all of the juices that are in there because I like it tart. So therefore, what I have to do now is just toss this. And that's it. We'll see how much we got here. Put this in the bowl. This is a perfect sized dinner. And the juices, the dressing that's left in the bowl, it'll stay in the bowl. And if you wanted to have this as an appetizer, this would be good for 3 people as a little appetizer. But for me, it's just perfect for my dinner. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it. I have to sit down and eat that now.